General Insurance Corporation of India have innovated applications for Assistant Manager Scale 1 jobs. Look at the salary. It is 85,000 rupees per month plus other many benefits. ಜನರಲ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾನವರು ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ 1 ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಂಬಳ ನೋಡಿ 85,000 ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸಂಬಳ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ 19th December 2024. Tentative date of online exam 5th January 2025. Education. In the education, any graduate in any discipline, you can apply for that. You are eligible for this. Law graduates, you are eligible. Engineering graduates, you are eligible. MBBS graduates, you are eligible. Then let's see the jobs they are calling for. There is a general assistant manager, legal assistant manager, HR assistant manager, engineering, IT, actuary, insurance, medical, as well as finance. So the lot of areas are there, lot of jobs are there, and any graduate, you are eligible to apply for this. You have seen what is the last date as well as when will be the tentative date of examination also. This is a job video. Just subscribe to this channel as well as like this video and share among all those who are in need of this information. ಈ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದು. ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇತರರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಯಸ್ಸೆಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏಜ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 21 years and 30 years. Of course, all age relaxation as per the government are applicable here. And if just see the video till the end, I will tell you where are the application link, the advertisement link, website link, you will going to get it. The emoluments and benefits, the pay scale is 50,925 and ends at 96,765. This is basic pay. When HRA, DA, everything is added up, it comes to 85,000 per month. Also, the other benefits like newspaper, internet allowance, leave study subsidy, medical benefits, house furnishing allowance, household help allowance, personal accident cover, housing, vehicle and computer loans with subsidized interest. So many things are there. So this job is not only responsible but also very attractive as far as the salary as well as benefits are concerned. The test centers are across India. They are conducting across India. In Karnataka, they will going to conduct in Bengaluru and Mangaluru. The website link for this and the advertisement link, what you have to do is you have to see this video through the link. When you go through the link below this video, you can see a small word MORE more. Click on it, you will get description box. In the description box, all the links are there. You start reading the advertisement. Once again, I say read the advertisement at least twice, line by line, word by word. And do remember the last date as well as the examination date. Last date is 19th December and examination tentative date is 5th January. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬೆಲ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇತರರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.